Hi, I'm Patty, and I'm sitting in my really not decorated well home office, and I am prepping for a class called Exercise Physiology. I teach at the local private university, and we're going over adaptations, short term, called acute and chronic adaptations to exercise, and specifically regards to the heart. And it got me thinking about meal planning and diet, and sometimes there's very short term adaptations to changing your food. Water shifting, bowel movement shifting, maybe spikes of energy, trying new recipes. But the chronic adaptations is what's interesting, is we have data on when people do behaviors long term, what are the long term implications of different types of dietary patterns? And time again, what we've seen to date in evidence-based research is populations that engage in movement, in more fibrous foods, home-cooked meals, in community with a sense of spirituality, live higher quality lives. Now, quality is subjective. Quantitatively, longer years of life and less measured disease states. And so we're looking at this research. It's by Dan Buettner from Blue Zones, and there's themes. How can you subscribe to these themes when sometimes you're in a society that is preaching the complete opposite? High fat, high intense workouts, isolation, all of these things are CGMs and, wearables, and that's the complete opposite of conversation. What I would ask is, what can you take? What can you absorb for your life? What is next best for you to step forward? Because every single person's body and health food story is so different. And so you want to make sure that you're attending to your needs in your own way, but using sound information that's true. Now, what's true is being debated more than ever right now, and so that can be confusing. So find someone in your life that you trust, that feels like a mentor, off of social media, and see how that feels. See how the decisions that you want to make, how that feels in your gut. I hope that helps.